Welcome friends again to our YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of Morathics, and we have all discussed in the earlier video the negatives and positives of the Indian economy and also the index performance. And now we are going to see this Morathics for Samvat 2078. And here we have handpicked a few stocks. It depends the market capitalization. And to start with, I've given 3 large cap recommendations. First, to start with, it is State Bank of India. The current price is 515, and the stock is looking great on charts. Particularly, this stock hasn't given any returns over the past 10-12 years, exactly 13 years, and only in this year it has started performing well. And I hope this stock can go easily 1,000 rupees over the next 1 to 2 years time. But anyway, that is a bigger target. And if we take into account this is 1 year recommendations for up to next Diwali, we can safely assume that it will be 700-750 levels. We must take note because only the returns will be 50% or less, but we should we should notice that the markets might also go down, as we discussed earlier. The correction is yet to set in, and hence the 2022 might be a negative year for stock markets, Indian stock markets in particular. And hence, even in this scenario, if a stock that gives 50% and all, if it gives, will be a good idea to follow. So I suggest to State Bank, one of the solid stocks in the top group. The risk is very low for the stock because this is the time one should avoid small and mid cap category by switching to by selling all these small and mid cap stocks probably and shift our focus towards large caps. The next recommendation is Titan, 1,400 rupees now. Very good Q2, not because of Q2 the stock is suggested, rather the fundamentals are intact and it is a very good a Tata Group company. Gold prices are becoming steadier, and as the economy is progressing, the per capita income is set to rise, and people prefer to buy gold. And hence Titan is a solid stock. But even State Bank or Titan, one has to buy at 3 levels. There is no need to buy it straight away here on waiting for returns. Rather, you can buy a Titan 2,400 and then 2,000 rupees, and finally 1,750 comes down to for a target of 3,000 to 3,500 rupees. And State Bank must accumulate till 370 levels, because I'm not saying that it will come, but we must be prepared to buy at declines, because this is a market, buy at declines market. This is cannot straight away make money by breakouts. The markets will be volatile going forward, at least for the next 1 year. The next stock is Tata Steel, again from the Tata fold, 1,365. This stock is recommended in our column around 770, I hope. Thereafter, it is almost doubled, but still this can be bought at this price, and then 1,250, and again around 1,050 levels. There is no stop loss needed for the stock, as I'm very much bullish on this metals overall. So this can go, because if you take straight away this fundamentals, this is one of the cheapest stocks in the specified group, that is A group, the large cap segment, can hopefully go 3,000 rupees over a period of time. I strongly believe it. Okay, with this 3 stocks, large caps are over, and go to mid caps. Mid caps again, there will be 3 stocks. TTK Prestige is 11,000 rupees right now. You can buy here, and also around 9,300 levels. To 9,300 to 9,500 levels, you can buy more. So split, stock split is coming in 10:1. So you'll be getting 10 shares for every share what you're going to buy. This is a very good stock. In fact, in the next 10, 15, 20 years, this is a a long-term stock like HDFC Bank. This company is the leader in its segment, and I hope this can easily go 1 lakh rupees, but not a recommendation. It is only an awareness video. So just to take your call, a fantastic company to add on to and hold it for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years kind of things. So you can buy, accumulate, and just see at least within the next 1 year, the target will be 1,500. That is 15,000 rupees. Next stock is Vardhaman Textiles, 2010. I think while I'm talking this, the stock actually today has gone up by 100 rupees or 80 rupees, something like that. So it closed at 2,100 almost. But still, it is a fantastic buy considering its Q2 and also its fundamentals. It can easily go to 4,000 rupees. A stock split or bonus might also come because the reserves are very high for the stock. And this can be bought here, and it declines around, declines up to 1,750 to 1,700, 750 levels. You can buy and hold on for big gains. TVS Motor, the third one. From the TVS Group, the auto stock, automotives, demand is picking up, economy is picking up, and after this pandemic, everybody is in need of a two-wheeler rather than going in a bus. So this stock has all the legs to go forward. Any declines, it is a buy opportunity. Even you can buy here, and corrections up to 550 levels, you can buy for a target of at least 1,000 to 1,100 levels. With this, we now move to small caps. Actually, we are giving category wise. Depends the risk appetite of a client. One can select from the pack whatever he likes. Polyplex Corporation, we have been recommending this stock right from 600, 700 levels. A consistent dividend paying company also. One of the cheapest in its a leader and one of the cheapest stocks as well. So buy more at around 1,500 rupees. Each and every decline you can accumulate this stock. A fantastic company with a little market cap, maybe around 5,000, 6,000 crores. But it should go up to 20,000 crores at least, considering its fundamentals. So the targets would be at least doubled from here on. Indiabulls Real Estate, a fantastic stock. Today it has gone up considerably to close at, I think, 180, 182, 184 levels. So declines, you'll have to see the stock. It can all the way go to a top of 265. That is the previous top for the stock. And that is the target right now we have set for the stock. So buy here and at 150 as well. VIP Industries, again, one more small cap. Today it closed at 565 or something like that. So the market cap is around 6,500 crores, which is low for a market leader in the in this segment. VIP suitcases, luggages. So you can buy up to 500 rupees. I don't think it will come beyond that. Anyway, whatever that comes in the way, you will have to accumulate. As we discussed earlier, it has to be done in 3 stages, and the targets will be 750 in the short term. And I'm very, very bullish on the stock for a target of 2,000 rupees over the longer term. Then Dilip Bilcon, today it closed at 608, I think, 20 rupees up from the earlier closing. Anyway, charts are very good, for a 1 year period if it is taken. So, currently, yeah, you can buy at 585, 575, even at current levels. Wait for a target of 1,250. Dilip Bilcon is an infra stock, has more than 10,000 crores of order book in its hand. So it's very cheap considering the current scenario. And this is an infra. Infra is all set for a big move, as I told you earlier, because we will be coming out with a separate video. No time much now. So infra space, this is the one you should watch out for. buy for stellar returns going forward. Then going for microcaps, I think microcaps, this is very risky area. So the investors who are not interested or willing to take risks can avoid further watching this video. But for risk takers, risk takers, and you can buy this kind of microcaps. There is a separate group for this. Those guys can look at and try to buy if they are wishing to do so. First is Andhra Petro, chemical stock, very good fundamentals. This Q3 is waiting. This is year ending is I think December. So currently 135, 138 levels. I hope this can all the way go to 300 or more. So major support is at around 130, 125, 130. And you can dare buy and keep it for a year's time, as it is in the a T segment. I think that is the factor. The stock hasn't moved up. So once it is coming out of this T group of only T in the sense you'll have to take only delivery, you can sell only delivery, you cannot do any intraday. So if it comes out of that, I think this can go brilliantly. Good stocks, watch out for Andhra Petro. The second one is, I have given 9 stocks here. It's up to you to decide what is to be bought. HSIL, Hindustan Sanitaryware, 230 currently. It can, because I'm very bullish on the stock for a target of 450 rupees the next 1 year time, probably. So any decline up to 215 levels could be used to buy the stock. Not at all rallied in the past. The Q2 is very good. The future looks promising. Or you can buy and accumulate the stock. KKCL, Kevalkaran, the company which is owner of the Killer Jeans brand. So the stock has come out with very good numbers for Q2 and also declared first one bonus. The stock has not gone up in the past because the earlier top is around 1,900. This time around, the stock can go to earlier highs because of the fact that the textile industry is in a big boom. That is the reason why we have recommended Vardhaman Textiles as well. This is the second stock from that area in this textile, but this is a branded player, garments. So this stock can easily go 1,900 rupees, irrespective of the market conditions. You can buy till 1,000 rupees the stock. You can start accumulating it. The next one is Yes Action Construction Equipments, which is around 251. A very good, crane making company. Very good fundamentals. They are entering into tractors as well. You can buy till depths around 190. This one, but I don't think this can come down to that much of levels. Already corrected from high of 290, 295 to this levels. So any decline you can start buying in 3 steps, and watch out for 400 rupees ACE. GM Brivaris, one of my favorites, and 480 after breaking out, the stock skyrocketed to 900 rupees within a short span of time. And this is what the one stock which you could buy straight away, and I keep on accumulating the stock till 580, 590 levels if it comes down to. My targets will be very high, maybe 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. It depends the market scenario. If the market is bullish, it can go 2,000 rupees to an outer extent. Fundamentally, this is one of the cheapest stocks in the in its segment, as compared to Radico, McDowell, and other things. So this one can be bought. Sarda Energy from the steel metals sector. This is around 885, very good, but rallied enormously in the last 1 year. So from 200 rupees, now it has come up to 880. So Q2 is fantastic, but then the results are already discounted in its prices. Any declines to maybe 800, and then 700, 650 levels. So you will have to accumulate the Sarda Energy. you can expect stock split also going forward. And once that is done, we could see 1,500 rupees in this. So for at least the next 3 to 5 years, see, whatever the stocks that is discussed here are not only meant for 1 year, but it can hold on for a few number of years for maximum gains. So Sardar Energy is one among it. HIL, Hyderabad Industries Limited. Top brand is Charminar. It is into asbestos sheets. And a Birla Group company, which has all the way gone up from 1,000 rupees to 6,700 rupees, I hope, and then corrected massively to trade at 4,600. Any declines up to 4,000 rupees would be a great opportunity to buy into the stock. Q2 is not that is why the stock is plummeted to these levels. But then maybe in the next quarter, not good as actually one expect, but over the next few quarters, the stock can catch up and produce, the results what actually we need. So this can again reach its high, and my target maybe around 12,000 rupees for the stock. So that is very high. Let's the next few years time, even 10,000 rupees is is a conservative target for Hyderabad Industries, a very old company, very strong fundamentals, one of the cheapest stocks in the industry. Malt packaging. This is already, we have this one I have discussed already, right from 250 rupees. Actually, this is a multi-bag stock of out of the stocks what are we are recommending here. This one you can imagine maybe a 10 bagger from here on might go 7,000 rupees from 700 rupees, but over a period of time, not within 1 or 2, 3 years. So any decline, you will have to buy the stock maybe around 650 and up to then 470, 480 levels. You will have to buy the stock for stellar returns. So this is one of the portfolio stocks which you should keep it in your mind. Very unique, packaging company. There is not much competition, competition. And for Moltec, it is uniquely positioned in its category. So because there is no time for us to talk further about all these stocks now. So this one, you will have to keep on compulsorily buying it for huge returns. Accrystal, the stock actually one of our multi-bagger stocks. We have recommended some 7-8 months back around 230 rupees. Now it is 717 rupees. Still, there is a lot of room left. This can go. The market cap is around maybe around 3,000 crores. But I hope this can go 10,000 crores at least. This is into a kitchenware segment and has tied up with IKEA. IKEA, one of the largest companies in the world, and in that segment. So less competition for Accrystal. Somebody says the product is not that much good, but the numbers are not indicating that the sales and gross profit, net profit, those things are going up and up every quarter. And I hope this stock can all the way go to 2,000 rupees in the next few years' time. The immediate targets would be, would be on the markets, because we cannot predict the immediate targets. Anyway, 50% returns are possible within the next 1 year's time. I think, yes, with this, it is over. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to Max Talks for further videos. Please click on to the bell button. You will receive notifications. See you in the next video. Bye, friends. Thank you.